Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into Reddit ads and confirming billing and two-step authentication. This prevents interruptions. Once done, pick a clear objective: traffic, conversions, app installs, or awareness, because objective drives bidding and creative. Then select targeting, specific subreddits, interests, or a custom audience. Narrow to reduce wasted impressions. Make sure to set campaign dates and a daily or lifetime budget. This gives you precise pacing. Don't overcomplicate targeting early. Launch a focus test to gather performance signals. Now you build the actual ads. You write a punchy headline, concise body copy, and upload an image or thumbnail that meets Reddit specs. Adhere to subreddit rules so mods do not remove your content. Next, choose a bidding strategy: manual CPC or CPM, or let Reddit automate bids. Then set a realistic bid cap to control costs. Install the Reddit pixel or configure server-side events so you can track purchases and conversions. Once tracking fires correctly, you can compare creative and bid performance. You launch and then monitor closely during the first 24 to 72 hours, watching CTR, CPC, and conversion rate to understand early signals. Once you have data, run a /B tests on creative, targeting, and bids, pausing low-performing variants and reallocating budget to winners. Make incremental changes and allow 24-48 hours for learning. If things go wrong, first verify the Reddit pixel and attribution window. Then test landing page speed and UX. These 3 fixes resolve most conversion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.